Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Dodge Grand Caravan. First, prioritize safety by finding a safe, level spot away from moving vehicles. Always engage your parking brake fully and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Remember to place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you are changing for added stability. Finally, gather your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench before proceeding. Now that you're safely parked, it's time to prepare. Locate your spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, typically found in the rear cargo area. Before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, just enough to break them free. Do not remove them entirely yet, they should still be finger-tight. With the lug nuts loosened, position the jack securely under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the exact jacking points. Begin to raise the vehicle slowly until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground, ensuring it clears the ground completely. Now, you can fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Now, it's time to install your spare. Carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs, pushing it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as possible. Next, lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. Finally, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, then lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.